Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm gonna be turning 40 in a few short months, and I gotta be honest with you, I'm kind of freaking out about my skin. So I've really amped up my skincare regimen. I just recently added this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, and I gotta tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised. So there were a couple different things I was looking for in a serum. I needed an oil-free serum to be able to use in conjunction with my high-frequency wand. This is oil-free. I also wanted hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is such an important ingredient if you're concerned about fine lines because it attracts and holds onto moisture in your skin cells, which allows your skin to feel more hydrated and appear more plump. I need all the plumpness I can get these days. I have to tell you, since I've been using this in conjunction with my high frequency skin wand, I definitely noticed a difference. This is ultra hydrating, it's very light, my skin loves it, it soaks right up. So if you are concerned about aging, even if you're not at the age I am and you just want something preventative, this is an absolute must. I love it, I won't be without it. And that's my point of view.